In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails based on your recipient's time zones in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot to prepare your email so you can schedule it to send when it's most likely to be seen, morning for your audience in their local time. First, open HubSpot and head to the trial guide. This guided area is a quick way to jump into the right tools without digging through menus. If you're already logged in, you'll see the trial guide in your navigation. Think of it as your shortcut into the parts of HubSpot you'll use for sending and scheduling email. Inside the trial guide, open the More menu. This expands the available product areas so you can move beyond the basics and into the tools you need for a proper email send. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to load. Sometimes the additional sections appear after a brief moment. From there, choose Marketing. This takes you into the marketing workspace, where campaigns, emails, lists, and performance tools live. It's the hub for anything going out to your contacts. Next, select Email. This opens the email tool where you can manage drafts, scheduled messages, and previously sent emails. You'll be able to work with regular one-off emails or those tied to campaigns, depending on your plan. Now, click the email you want to send. Opening the specific email brings you into its editor and settings. Here's where the time zone magic happens. In the send or scheduling area of this email, you'll find options to choose when it should go out. HubSpot provides a scheduling panel that includes sending at a specific date and time, and, when available, sending based on each recipient's time zone. That means your message can land at, say, 9 a.m. for people in New York, and also at 9 a.m. for contacts in London, without you creating separate sends. A few tips to make this work smoothly. Make sure your email has a defined recipient list and that your contacts have valid email addresses and permissions. HubSpot determines time zones using contact properties and other location signals. If a time zone isn't available for someone, the email will typically fall back to your account's default time zone. It's also smart to preview your email and send a test to yourself before scheduling, so formatting, personalization, and links are all in great shape. Finally, verify that your sending domain is authenticated and your subscription types are set correctly. This helps deliverability and ensures your audience actually receives what you send. That's it. You've navigated to the exact spot in HubSpot where you can schedule your email with recipient time zones in mind, setting you up for better open rates and a more professional send.